Strategies for your success in affiliate marketing. You can make quite a bit of money with affiliate marketing if you are able to engage the readers of your blog or website. Affiliate marketing isn't like pay-per-click advertising because you only get paid if and when your potential client does a specified task. To create a compelling and interesting website or blog that will attract potential clients, read the following tips in this video. Be honest with your affiliate marketing links. Your readers will appreciate your candid nature and honesty. People can see these things from a mile away, and they know how to bypass you and go straight to the vendor to make their purchase and keep you from getting your cut of the deal. Affiliate marketing arrangements are most successful when they speak to your own personal interests. Seek out affiliates and advertisers whose products and services appeal to you personally. A salesman who genuinely believes in his product is always the most convincing salesman. By associating with partners that provide services you like, you can ensure that you will be enthusiastic and trustworthy in promoting them. Only deal with affiliate companies that appreciate your efforts. Check with various companies to see if they offer bonuses for numbers of customers, loyalty bonuses, or any other type of reward system. You will be working hard as an affiliate, so make sure you go with a service that allows you to reap the benefits of your labor. Affiliate networks, also known as affiliate brokers, can be useful for connecting webmasters to good advertisers. Smart webmasters work with reputable networks. Running an affiliate network is a business, like any other, and there are professional accreditations and organizations for brokers. Working for established networks with good standing in their industry to avoid scam artists. In order to be successful with affiliate marketing, it is essential that you have solid tracking software. You have to view pretty much everything in your resources section, which includes tracking your sales, viewing the number of people who signed up, and viewing your payment history. If you do not have good tracking software, you will likely fail. By following these tips, you will be able to create a compelling and interesting website or blog that will attract potential clients to your affiliate marketing products. Keeping your content fresh, timely, and honest will serve you well. You will slowly build a passive income with patient effort while maximizing your daily earnings by presenting yourself as knowledgeable, professional, and trustworthy. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.